Hi everyone, so today I am going to create this look. This is new look of Komolika for new Kasauti Zindagi ke. So I'm just gonna start with a clean face and I'm using uh, a moisturizer. This is a Bioderma Sebium Global. It's a very good moisturizer for acne prone skin. Then I'm applying this lip balm, Baby Lips Lip Balm by Maybelline, and I love this lip balm because it's tinted and I have pigmented lips, so yeah, that's why I loved it so much. And then I'm gonna use a pore primer by PAC, और इसे मैं अपने dot dot करके अपने face पे लगा रही हूँ, and I'm just blending it really nicely before doing any makeup. Primer is important, so that's why. So I'm just gonna start with the eyelids first. So I'm just taking concealer by Europe Girl Cosmetics in the shade Amande, and I'm just applying to my eyelids and blending it really well with the concealer brush. And then I'm gonna set this concealer using an eyeshadow, and I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using the skin colored palette, और इसकी मदद से मैं पूरी अपनी eyelids को अच्छे से set कर रही हूँ, just like this as you are seeing. And then I'm just taking this long lasting Kohl pencil in black by PAC, और मैं इसे draw कर रही हूँ अपनी upper lash line पे, and I'm just gonna smudge with a pencil brush. You don't have to be really neat because we need that smudged look, और धीरे धीरे मैं इसे अपनी crease पे भी लेके जा रही हूँ with the same brush, and I'm just applying the brown shade then with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just applying to the center of my lids and also blending it with the black. आपने Komolika की look में देखा होगा that she has really nice brown smoky eye going on. I'm just trying to create this similar effect with a deepened crease, और फिर मैं एक blending brush की मदद से सारे eyeshadows अच्छे से blend कर रही हूँ, just like this. Then I'm taking this highlight color and I'm just applying this to my brow bone and again blending it with a blending brush. Then I'm taking the same kajal pencil again and I'm just applying it to my upper lash line very close to the lashes, and I'm just drawing an eyeliner with it. And also I am gonna apply that to my waterline just as a kajal, but we will gonna smudge it later. So I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm just gonna smudge it a little bit, and also gonna smudge the upper liner I created with the same. Then I'm using Scandalized Mascara by Rimmel, and इसके बहुत ही अच्छे से मैं coats दूँगी अपने eyelashes को, but I'm still gonna use some fake lashes as well. Now let's just come to the face. For the face, I'm just gonna color correct my dark circles and pigmented areas of my face, just like dark circles, sides of my mouth, and here and there spots which I have due to acne. And I'm just blending it with a concealer brush, fluffy concealer brush, really nicely. Now for foundation, I'm using Colorstay foundation in the shade Golden Caramel. It's by Revlon, और इसे dot dot करके अपने face पे लगा रही हूँ. And then by using PAC 003 brush, I'm just gonna blend this foundation really nicely into my skin. For highlighting some points of my face, I am using Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles in the shade Medium by Maybelline. I'm applying under my eyes, I'm applying it on bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, sides of my mouth, chin and forehead, and also just under the hollows of my cheek, just to lift my face up. And then I'm just gonna take the same brush 003 by PAC, and I'm just gonna blend everything really nicely. Now to set this, I'm using a PAC baking powder palette. I love this palette, especially the white, because it instantly brightens up your under eye area, and it's very pigmented. I loved this palette. Yeah, it's very good, worth purchasing. And I'm just gonna apply wherever I highlighted, and then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just filling my brows with it really nicely. Once that's done, I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder I have on my face. अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी ताकि कुछ harshness या फिर कुछ obvious lines ना रहे मेरे चेहरे पे. So I'm just gonna blend everything nicely. And then I'm gonna take a small blending brush and I'm just gonna smudge my lower lash line to give that really nice soft smoky look to my lower lash line. For my blush, I'm using Prism by PAC. I love this blush, and I'm using to, as a blush as well, and I'm also contouring and taking this to my hairline and also contouring my jaw with it. And with the same, I'm just gonna contour my nose as well, so it just gives a really nice warm contour, and a very subtle contour and a very subtle blush. And so I'm just gonna take the same for contouring my nose as well with the same brush, just squeezing my brush and just applying. Also, I'm just gonna do a little bit contour on my temples as well using the same. Then I'm using Mary Lou Manizer highlighter by theBalm, and I just love this highlighter. Look at this, how subtle it is and how beautiful it looks. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply to my cheekbone area and also my bridge of nose, a cupid's bow, chin, and then I'm just gonna apply some fake lashes, and I'm using a 55 by PAC, and this is how the look looks like. And for the lips, I'm using two lip colors. I'm using the first color I'm using is a NYX Liquid Suede, and the other is PAC Retro Matte Lip. And the first shade I'm using is Soft Spoken by NYX, and I'm just gonna outline my lips with it, and then I'm just gonna fill in with Retro Matte Lip Gloss in number 40 by PAC. And loved this combination, and I just loved how these two lip colors blended in together, and they look just so gorgeous. And the makeup look is complete. I'm just gonna wear some bindi. So I'm just gonna take a regular bindi, and I'm just gonna cut it to a moon shaped bindi, just like her, Hina Khan. And I'm just gonna draw a dot with a liner underneath it. And then I'm just gonna wear some jewelry, and yeah, my look is complete, inspired by Hina Khan as Komolika in the new Kasauti Zindagi ki. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. I loved creating this look, and I was just enjoying posing after creating this look. I was so much in the feel. So yeah, so this is how I created Hina Khan's look as Komolika. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी देन प्लीज़ डू गिव मी अ बिग लाइक, एंड अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है देन डू सब्सक्राइब, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye.